Alright, hi friends. Today I am going to tell you how you can ask for holiday homework submission from your students. Teachers, you need to first log in to your official Gmail account. Go to the classroom, enter the class where you want to give instructions. One point that I want to make clear is students cannot post their holiday homework unless you give them certain instructions where to post. So right now I am going to a demo class, my trial class. You need to go to the classwork tab, click on create button, click on assignment option. In the assignment, give a title. Write down your subject first. For example, I'm writing down computer, holiday homework, instructions. Here you can type in the instructions. Like for example, I am writing down, dear students, there's no word limit. You are requested to attach all the three files as told to you earlier. आप जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना चाहो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो by 10th July positively. Now if you want you can attach a detailed document from add attachment. I will click on add attachment. I will click on file because that file is in my PC. I'll select upload. I will search the file. This is the instructions that I have kept ready and I'll click on open. Now this instruction file will be visible to the students. They can view it. And you can also type these instructions here because sometimes children don't open the attachment. So you can type the instructions here. On the right side, choose the classrooms where you want to post the instructions by pressing checkbox against them. Right now I am posting it my demo class. Click all students. By default it is being selected. And grade the assignments 10, 20, whatever marks you want to, and give a due date. Go to 10th of July and time if you want, it's optional. And please teachers, for future also and for this holiday homework, please create a topic every time when you are posting something. This is of computer, so I am writing down computer. But this is holiday homework, so I am writing down holiday homework. Otherwise, I write down computer and then the chapter name whenever I want to get a student submit something particular to that chapter. And then click on assign. Your instructions have been now assigned to the classwork. You can check it in the stream section. See, it's visible here as well as it is visible here. Look at so nicely the topic has come. So please, you need to write the topic every time you are posting something on the classroom because students can easily make it out. Now let me show you the student view. For that I need to switch my account. I'll show you the student view. I'm going to the classroom, sorry. This is the student view. Look, the student can easily see that ma'am has streamed something, and when it will be due, it will come here. Or when I click on this instruction, the attachment is there, the instruction is there, the topic is there, then it is of 10 points is there, and it's always also mentioned here 10 July in the instructions. And now the student will click here on add and create, and they can add attachments by clicking here. They can also go to classwork. They can click on this heading and then they can upload the attachments. So teachers, you are requested to please put instructions on the Google Classroom. Either you can type, it's better you type, and along with, if you want, you can attach a file also. Grade it by giving points and also a due date. So then the students are not in a fix as to where they have to submit the holiday homework. Thank you. Hope you liked the video.